I'm Jim Liptrot and I'm the Managing Director of Howarth Airtech. We're delighted to be celebrating the first 12 months of our new pharmaceutical production facility. The 10,000 square foot facility is a great addition to the business and is helping us grow and develop our capabilities to support our pharmaceutical clients in the UK and around the world. It comprises of a central manufacturing area alongside office space and meeting rooms, and it's just a 5-minute drive from our head office. It's very close to the motorway links, so it's in a great spot. The new production facility has enabled the pharmaceutical team to deliver on several large-scale projects. We're just completing the biggest single order in our history, and during the last year we have produced containment suites, bespoke isolators and downflow booths to support the production of life-changing drugs. So, following the easing of restrictions after lockdown, we've been able to welcome visitors to the site, including several clients from our customer base of major pharmaceutical manufacturing companies. They've all commented what a great facility it is, and they look forward to it being developed even further in the coming months. And this new facility reflects so well our company ethos, what we call the Howarth Way. We believe in the power of our people, and we believe in the power of clean air to transform human health and well-being. And that's why our vision is to support the manufacture of the next generation of pharmaceuticals through our advanced air containment systems. We look forward to continuing our life-changing work and welcoming more clients and industry stakeholders to see our work and meet our people.